This week I'm testing the Audi E-Tron Sportback. It's a fully electric 5-seater SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is the E-Tron. It's one of the fastest charging EVs on the market and does about 400 kilometers to a battery charge. Now you get all the benefits of the EV, so you've got driving your kids to sleep without using fuel. You can also sit while they're asleep just on battery power alone, and it's a nice, quiet, smooth drive. Number 2 is I can easily fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back here. The InfoSecure Achieve More, Attain More and Aspire More. If you want to learn more about the child seats used in this video, you can click on the link here. Number 3 is there's individual child locks in the driver's door control panel that locks both the rear doors and windows. There's also illuminated rings around the outer rear seat buckles, which makes it really nice and easy to find which ones to plug the seat belts into. We have loved our week with the Audi E-Tron. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.